अरे बच्चों, 20s में ही इन्वेस्टमेंट कर लो तो आगे बहुत अमीर हो जाओगे।
Hello and welcome to today's video. I am Rinalini and you are at the Copper channel taking smart personal finance decisions today for a better tomorrow. And in this video today we are going to talk about 5 ways to simplify investing in your 20s. Number 1. Just start investing. So stop thinking about how much money you have right now and stop thinking that when you'll earn a lot of money, you'll start investing. You can even start investing with rupees 500 today. So start now, because the sooner you'll start, the sooner you'll be able to achieve your financial goals. Number 2. Follow the 100 minus age rule while investing. According to this rule, 100 minus your age is the percentage amount you should be investing in equity and the rest in debts. So for example, if you're 20 years old today, 100 minus 20, 80% is the amount you should invest in equities and 20% in debts. As you grow older, this rule really helps you to balance out your equity and debt ratio, hence making your portfolio according to your risk appetite at a particular age. Number 3. Don't forget to add insurance in your financial plan. So make sure that you have 2 types of insurances, a life insurance and a health insurance, to fight your uncertain times. For example, in a scenario like today, wherein we are fighting this pandemic since a really long time, these insurances will really help you cover your expenses. Number 4. Don't follow the herd mentality while investing. मेरे फ्रेंड ने मुझे बोला कि मैं Zomato IPO में इन्वेस्ट कर लूं। मेरे फ्रेंड ने मुझे बोला कि मैं कहीं और स्टॉक्स में इन्वेस्ट कर लूं। तो क्या मैं करूंगा? No. Don't do that. Don't follow herd mentality and invest in any kind of financial instruments only because your friend says so. Do a research for yourself, see which instruments are good for you and your financial plan and your risk appetite, and then go for them. For example, if you're risk averse, an SIP would be a better option rather than investing in stocks directly. And if you are open to taking risk, then stocks are the best options for you. Don't listen to me. Do your own research and then decide for yourself. Number 5. Invest in some financial instruments that give you a tax advantage as well. For example, equity-linked savings schemes, ELSS, or PPF, Public Provident Fund, or NPS, National Pension Scheme. These schemes and instruments provide you a huge tax advantage when your salary grows higher. So make sure you start investing and develop a habit of investing in such financial instruments as well. So don't wait for yourself to grow older, just start investing in your 20s and reap the benefit of the power of compounding. Now you'll think, what is power of compounding? So for that, do check out our video which is linked right here on the power of compounding to understand it better. Now if you like this video, do hit the like button and share the video with your friends and family. Subscribe to our Copper channel. Also click on the bell icon so that you get to know whenever we have a new video published. I'll see you until the next time.